In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on X, formerly known as Twitter, step by step. Whether you got a new number, change carriers, or just want to keep your account information up to date, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process inside X settings. This is quick, simple, and it only takes a few minutes if you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X on your browser or in the app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left side of your screen and click More or tap the three dots icon if that's what you see in your navigation bar. This opens the extra menu options for your account. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account and security controls, so once you're inside, you're in the right place. Next, go to your account. Under that section, click Account Information. X will now ask you to verify that it's really you for letting you make sensitive changes. This is an important security step, so enter your current X password to confirm your identity. After your password is accepted, you'll be able to see your account details. Now click Phone. Next to your current phone number, choose Edit or Update Number. This is the option you need if you want to replace the number already linked to your account. Once the phone number field opens, type in your new mobile number carefully. Make sure the country code is correct and double check the digits before moving forward. When everything looks good, click Continue. X may send a verification code to your new phone number, so be ready to check your messages if prompted. Complete any verification steps that appear on screen, and once that's done, your new number should be saved to your X account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the phone number on X or Twitter. This is a great way to keep your account secure and make sure you can still recover access if you ever need it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.